This video will instruct you on how to develop your plates after you've performed a 72-hour incubation. This part of the assay will be performed under sterile conditions. The next steps will be done in a cell culture hood. First, gather the items that you will need. You will need the treated plates, the kit components from advanced targeting systems, 5.5 milliliters of PBS that has been warmed to 37 degrees Celsius, a well reservoir, pipettes with appropriate tips, a vortex. Please refer to the PDF file on the flash drive included with the kit for complete protocol instructions. Begin by opening the kit and removing the developing reagents and setting them aside. This includes the vial labeled XTT and the vial labeled PMS. The next step is to mix the developing reagents by first briefly vortexing the vial labeled XTT. Then, add the entire contents of the XTT vial to the 5.5 milliliters of warmed PBS. Vortex briefly to ensure the solution has been mixed thoroughly. Then, briefly vortex the vial labeled PMS. Transfer 92 microliters of the PMS directly into the vial containing the warmed PBS and XTT. Once the PMS is added, vortex briefly. Transfer the contents to a well reservoir. Set your multi-channel pipette to 50 microliters and transfer the 50 microliters of the developing solution into each of the interior 60 wells of each treated plate. Next, add 50 microliters of the developing solution to the A1 well. This well will serve as the blank control. Repeat this entire process for each treated plate. After adding the developing solution to each plate, return the plates to their proper growth conditions and let it incubate for 2 hours. Note, this incubation time may vary depending on the metabolic rate of your cells. After the 2-hour incubation, use a plate reader to gently shake the plate and read the absorbance at 450 nanometers for each plate. You may now use these absorbance data to determine cell depletion as a % of the control wells.